Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting with an up-to-date iPhone 13. That reduces glitches. First, open Settings and install any pending iOS updates because permissions changed in recent releases. Next, launch the App Store and install a well-reviewed dynamic island overlay app that creates a simulated pill. When the app asks for notifications, widget access, and overlay permissions, grant them. Those allow real-time content. Once done, open the app and follow the initial setup wizard so it can display the island on your screen. Now you configure how the island behaves. Inside the overlay app, pick the pill size and horizontal position so it matches the top center of your display. This ensures touch targets line up. Make the app show live activities by linking supported apps or enabling its widget integration. This feeds incoming calls, timers, and music. Also, set the app to run in background and disable aggressive battery optimization so the island stays responsive. Once those are set, preview animations and fine-tune timing for smooth transitions. Finish by testing everything. Place a call, start a timer, and play music to see the island update dynamically. If notifications don't appear, make sure Do Not Disturb is off for the test and confirm the app has notification and background refresh permissions. If the island stutters or disappears, restart the iPhone and revisit battery settings to exempt the app. If problems persist, reinstall the overlay app and reapply your saved settings. One tip: keep a backup of your custom layout in the app before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.